Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2018 Kia Soul EX trim level, kind of a burnt orange color. Comes equipped with machined alloy wheels, fog lights, and a whole bunch of other features. That sign in the upper right of the window says the car is certified as it's a certified pre-owned vehicle, certified by Kia Canada. There are all kinds of advantages and benefits to that program. You may want to check that out and see if the program will work for you. As we get on the car, you'll note on the window it says Sirius XM is on. That means that you get a 3-month trial of Sirius XM radio included with this car. Let's take a look inside. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. The exterior mirrors are heated. The car also has heated steering wheel, leather wrapped. 18,650 kilometers. Just a shot of the dash. The steering wheel has the audio and cruise controls mounted on it, as well as other functions. AM/FM radio, complete with Sirius. Climate control, heated cloth seats, and down below that an auxiliary and USB input port for your devices. Picture those black and gray cloth seats in the front. Height adjustable seat on the driver's side. The car also comes with a 2-liter engine and 6-speed Sportmatic transmission. Plenty of room in the back for your guests. Car has a rear backup camera. And all kinds of room back here for suitcases, boxes, hockey equipment, bags, any kind of soccer equipment, anything that you need for you and your family. Again, the car is located at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. Come on down. There's no better way to make an informed decision than to actually drive the car and see how well it fits into your lifestyle.